Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a blur effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the photo that add the video that you wanted to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the video effect, and now you just click on the basic and swipe down until you can see a blur effect. This is the blur effect, so you just click on it. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. And in here you can set the blur that you want to add. You can swipe left or right like this. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add blur effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.